IBERE cyabono mugaso tariki ni 19 omuti
guchakira umukinyo yiga okane ime ya Ndizi TV.
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'umugusi
mpendwa
Lia Ndizi TV togusaba okwaberwa asengencho yokoburukana kwa maliogi nigoeragire CHINSA ISANO na IBERE cyabono mugaso tariki ni 19 omukinyi gatatu mwaka w'ikirubere nemerongo ebere nainye na MAANGI agendrete imense ityo ya Kenya koruwa bwakete CHINSA cyamambi wekera abono mugaso ikaranso ike linembe ngukomanyia na LYDIA agendreire ime yense ityo ya Kenya anene mono ase orogongo rwa Gusii terane nkoro kwa job MAANGI na otakoba toko bwaterana nere elinda kwene kichibiche chiwego na maliogi ngo wikirare asenchira wekerano nigakoro kwa Sara MOMANYI kwene kinkonyorole amanganaya wetera ase omono emenyero yakoro kwa LYDIA MOSE nkwera nande ase kageterige tambe nge umkomamanyia na LYDIA berga gwate korwa kete CHINSA cyamambi goikera abono mugaso gaye bunge ya senate na boigo ebunge na nigwetia omuswada omonene obwechinyomba aserigo lirike bono nigo emambia lero omurai wense Dr. William Ruto abagakobeka essay elinde gwanchera na lichiko eliokoba alichiko ase bono abakenya barachiko na chwa chibesa achobwagachi wechinyomba ase ligo lirike nomoyega obogoikeranwa negati abarai buno mokonyi bomurai wense rigadiga shagwa omurai bosomuteneneli bwa waziri Mudavadi abarai batenete chibunge chionsi ase omurai wense Dr. William Ruto abatabanga nare nobole munga omuswada oyobose omurubiri obwagachi bw'ikinyomba ase ligo lirike no chigokonya abakenya konyora abomenyo obuyana boigo abasaye konyora amagendro na boigo emeremo ekerobagendrete nemeremo yabo ya botambe
to the manner in which the board will be conducting its affairs, and the manner in which the board will also be determining the allocation of houses. It is envisaged, Your Excellency, that some regulations will also be promulgated by the Cabinet Secretary upon assent and commencement of this bill. Our county governments, Your Excellency, have also been given a function in the bill.
Galete ase omusangirikano obose omurobelio yobogakoba ase enyomba enene yoburai State House imense ityo Kenya nigo omwaziri wechindemero na boigo obwagachi wechinyomba Alice Wahome abagawote abanga nigo omurobelio yo oberwa konya abasai abange konyora emerimo na boigo kwirera ogokina na boigo kwagachi wechichiro ase chinsemo ao ase omurobelio yo ogendrete na boigo konekinga amagendro abere ase chinsemo ase abagatabanga mbatiko bwaterana ne serikali na boigo chiserikali chichi county linda kwenekinga omurobero yo obeire uwikiranibwa ase enchera yo buikiranu.
You are already at site. Your Excellency, my ministry is most grateful because of the leadership, the support, the critical input that you have made for us to succeed. Right now, Your Excellency, we have over 120,000 young men and women working in this site. We anticipate, Your Excellency, that By the time the balance of 48,000 units is put in place, Your Excellency, we should be having close to 300,000 young men and women working at our sites. See, with these projects, we have also developed markets around the affordable housing. The ESP markets have been redesigned to cater for the extra population that have come. In every project, Your Excellency, we have to address the education infrastructure around the projects. That is to say, with this fund, Your Excellency, we have opened new doors, new opportunities.
Emo yabasaye babere bakonyora ogosiro nabo igo emeremo gwetera ase omoroberio wobwagachi gwechinyomba ase rigolidike mbachengera omoroberio nagotebanga nigo bono babere bakonyora engeri yabo yakeralituko ase boigo eserekali ebegete meroberi yokone kinga ngochukwena nabale eimanyirerio gochia ase egati abasaye bale obwate obumanyi nawe igo babere bakuligereribwa enchira bakora emeremo bono bunamba chikonyora chisa certificate chiabo chikobokonya ase amagimabo engana yaba kwekwirira omurayibwenze Dr. William Ruto gusabanga abo tukibo bokorwa nabo igo obwasio kukwenekibwa elinde kwenekinga abasae abumba ligwetigwa ase chinjira chitati chindonge nabo igo kwenekinga bukurumi mboyo ase ekero omoroberio yo ubwagachi bw'ikinyomba chinke ogendrete.
Okay, my name is Jacqueline Wanjiku Gachao and I'm currently working at Ruiru Affordable Housing. Yeah, I started working there last year, July. That is where I got an opportunity after nime struggle sana na kufind job. Anaitwa Musa. That's the man that gave me the opportunity. That's the guy. Akaniambia, akanipea chance niweze kujiprove as a woman. Na ni ukweli nilijiprove nikawork na nikaweza kuwa the person that I wanted to be in future. Yes, na pia amepea wanawake wengi sana pale opportunity pia wajiprove. Yeah. Okay, what? You can continue.
Sasa ule pale Ruiru, nimewahi kutembea Ruiru nafikiri mara mbili.
Yeah.
Ndio?
Yeah.
Kabusio ase oroboti rogo ichane ni gobono omo vice chancellor wa university ya Kenyatta University abagago talera aboro kigwa naboigo abakoli emerimo abe university yo ababete bakonyora omo basokano emarogoba yeri tukuli igoro ase wikira bono abantu 10 mo babere bagosiria amagimabo ase abange babo babekire ase nyagitari ya moivoi egotoka imeye chinsemo ekyasaba ko naboigo kobalemia ase bono iga bali babete bakonyora emibasukano emenene naboigo igutigero chingoma chinene barachi koirwana kunganyo gochia sinyagitari au elindego chikonyora obobwenia gwekerengo keigoro.
And polio. He has a fracture here. This
Kabosio ase oroboti rorengete obochenu ni gobono abaroire imense cha Kenya bandete konyora chinga kichinkongu ekero omugiro wabanyagitari ogendrete ase chi county au imense ya icho ya Kenya ase gwikira bono igabo igo chinyagitari cy'abantu nyene cyabere chikoralia egati nyagitari echo cyabere sabanga mbali go chugwanchirana egati yabaroire bali batayete korwali wagwetera ase kadi ya NHIF askeli bakwe murunganelia no konyorwa obotuma bw'ekibesa ekyo kigo kyakyarwa egekendo gokia ase abaroire abo ase bono batebire mbabwati ncherende goikera bono ase bono egati ekinyagi kyali eki kyabere kigotebanga bono nigo barakigosaba kibesa ekero omuntu agocha kurwaligwa kolende mbali gochwancherana chikadi ekyo bono ase serikali yabere gusabwa kuirige tambukiro kya bwango elinde kwene kinga ngotuma bali kibesa ekyo kinyagi kyali nabo igo oswana nagati elinde kwene kinga abanyagi kyali nabo igo abaroire mbali gochikogendera gochandika ime yense yaicho ya Kenya.
So we will be requesting customers to pay in cash for consultation fees, lab fees, and procedures or any other kind of intervention. We have, of course, we will be offering emergency services to those who need it.
We are not able to continue with the services that we are giving Kenyans, and it's not a matter of us being not willing to. We are just not able anymore.
Because it didn't just become slow in the matter of payment of the claims, but also the approvals. Before the patient gets the procedure done, it takes time.
Where we are right now, health may end up being the Waterloo of the current dispensation we are in, if such small things are not properly handled. Let's get people who know what.
Yoni gobono omoseneta we county ya Narok Ole Kimali dama bona bere usaba serikali gotiga gusangiriria chibango ase kerengo kigoro na boigo kuligia chinchira chinde chigusangiriria chibesa elinde okora amagendro asengencho nigo abakenya abange babiri bakonyora uchandika uwetera ase gokina wekerengo kigoro kyobugima sensemo yaye omugavana we county ya Narok Ole Tunai oyokwa serikali Boko abirako yatogia ase ngencho yemeroberio ababegete ase gokinia nabo gokonya abakenya buna olia o social health insurance fund yokurwa egekendo kurwa ase amaroire ase bono abare babete bagotwara kumusana kolende bono eserikali gasabunga erige tambukiro kya bwango elinde koiranga abakenya ngotwara bagire amagima ale amororo.
Nikichunga ng'ombe sitaki kodi ya kuja kulipisha ng'ombe kodi, kwa sababu hivyo Masai watalia sana. Mimi nataka tujaribu kuangalia mbinu zingine za kurokota hela katika Kenya hii.
Hakuna siku na sisi utuulize kama governors. Ugonjwa ya cancer, ugonjwa ya kidneys, ugonjwa nyingi zimejaa katika hii Kenya yetu na watu wanakufa. Mimi nataka tu nikuhakikishie kama one of your governors ya kwamba tunakusupport 100% kwa hii bill ambayo mumelete na serikali yetu, ili tuweze kuangalia vile tunasaidia watu wetu. Wale ambao wanasupport kwa sababu hawaelewi ni nini inafanyika, lakini wacha tu mpaka mtu wao awe mgonjwa.
Serikali bono nigaberege usabwa gotingia opolendi ase ensemo chiria abantu bagotuga etugo emaiga yegati ababunge gosaganwa ase ensemeyo chinga kibale kwena na endagera.
And Yatia. You know, you'd feel the tension, the tension from the bush. And it was not long before we started hearing the gunshots. I think we had almost 4 gunshots. I mean, these are people shooting at us. I mean, look at the emboldenment. I mean, we have the RDU, we have the GSU, but these people don't feel anything. And all the Mashimas here are doing the same because we are really seeing that these people are really daring us. And imagine being shot at while you are distributing food. These people are merciless and they care less. They want to just kill. They have appetite to destroy everything. The schools are not there. We can't even see population have moved, and they still want to push us further. And I want to say, for these people to survive in their own government, Your Excellency the President, I want you to take time. It is not easy, yes, but I want you to take time and understand that the bandits are gaining more.
Earlier on Ndizi TV oroboti oruo anene mono igoro yobo ibibweta etugo noto wikira omwelio bwa mangana maya CHINSA ISANO na IBERE chabon mwasokolende to basayosuka asengenjo nigo to kwaleneretie emerobelio ayogogokia okomsemia na boigo komanyia ayagenrete ime yense eicho ya Kenya askera chikoraga CHINSA ikomi chabon marogoba morachi kumbena nere Evelyn Osero habiga kubamanyia amangana ya asenchera yobo engeretera nenkuru kwa job MAANGI na utwabere tokobwatera na nere linde kwene kichibiche chiboigo na maliogi abera wikira asenchera yobo ikira nigakuru kwa Sara MOMANYI oyo ne kinga chibichechi boigo na maliogi agoikerere asenchera yomunwa wimanyire nigakuru kwa LYDIA MOSE wikira chinga kichinde na batakeire oburigireria obuya imea Ndizi TV nabwo obwansu bwomugusi.